everyone, welcome back to Patrania Plates, and on this episode I am so honored to be invited into the home and kitchen of this amazing lady. Her name is Toi, and she's one of the pioneer Thai chefs and Thai food experts here in the Seattle, Washington area, and she has once opened a restaurant here in town, a very successful one, but now her family is focused on this company. It's called Thaifusions, and they make these authentic Thai sauces and curries, which are now sold all over the country, and she's built this company based on her experience growing up in Northeastern Thailand. She moved here to the U.S. in 1970, but she never stopped cooking Thai food and spreading the love of Thai cuisine. So she's doing just that. She's teaching me how to make some of the dishes using her products, and I have some of the recipes below in the description box as well. But she and Max, her oldest son, sat down and talked to me about their passion for Thai food and their mission to spread this love to every kitchen across the country.
About what is Thai food to you? Like, how do you describe it? What makes it authentic?
The taste is spicy and salty and a little sweet.
Yeah.
And sour, yeah.
Authentic Thai food, I mean, it's just loaded with flavor, and I think that's what we kind of do best with Thaifusions. Authentic to us means that perfect balance of those flavors, right?
The flavors. All the sauces, it can be, even Penang you can do for stir fry, and peanut sauce you can do, salad dressing, can be dipping sauce, can be marinade. It can be anything.
Right.
Like a chili jam you can do for cheese and cracker, or hamburger, for, it's good for anything.
What's your earliest childhood memory of Thai food?
Sticky rice.
Yeah.
Mainly. Making naan pek pao, roast Thai chilies, and the dog would be going crazy. Everybody was coughing, so we'd have to open up all the windows.
Right.
After we do Thai fusion sauce, I never cook from scratch. It's just so long, so many ingredients and line up everywhere.
I mean, how do you feel just being able to see people make Thai food in their kitchen with your ingredients? How does it feel?
Oh, I feel very happy.
Yeah, we love it.
We love it. It just feels so good, and you don't mind to work hard.
And speaking of working hard, they made such an amazing meal for me that day that we had in their beautiful backyard. They had the chicken satay with the peanut sauce, the beef salad, and also the tom kha gung, the prawns and coconut soup, and the spring rolls with their sweet onion chili jam, which was delicious. Everything was great, but the real treat for me was to spend time with his family, including Toi's granddaughter, 2-year-old Isla, who I swear is a foodie in the making.
What do you like? What do you like to eat? You like noodles? Is that your favorite?
Tanya, thank you for coming over.
Well, thank you so much for watching this episode, Max and Toi and Isla and her whole family. Say สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ สวยๆ สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะ, and see you next time on the next episode of Patrania Plates.